Jump statements. Sometimes there is a situation when the control of the program needs to be transferred out of the loop body, even if all the values of the iterations of the loop have not been completed. For this purpose, jumping statements are used in Python. Python offers two jumping statements, break and continue, which are used within the loop. The break statement. The break is a keyword in Python which is used for bringing the program control out of the loop. The break statement halts the execution of a loop and program flow switches to the statement after the loop. A single break statement will break out of only one loop. The syntax of the break statement is shown as below. Syntax. Program 7. To demonstrate the use of the break statement in a loop,
you will get the following output.
The continue statement. The continue statement is used inside loops. When a continue statement is encountered inside a loop, control of the program jumps to the beginning of the loop for next iteration, skipping the execution of rest of the statements of the loop for the current iteration. Syntax. Program 8. To demonstrate the use of the continue statement in a loop,
you will get the following output.